Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. So this is a stock that just did an IPO called Acreage, okay? ACRG.u is the symbol. And man, I know some of you guys know the US symbol. I can't think of it off the top of my head right now. But I got to put them on full alert because they went up 19.75% yesterday, the second day that they've been public. And when I did my research, I found out that not only are they a monster of a company, but they also only have 21 million shares issued and outstanding. So can you say Tilray 2.0? There's a very good chance that Acreage, ACRG.u, could be Tilray 2.0. You have to put them on full alert, put them on your watch list, put them on your radar. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that you hear about here on Rich TV Live. Obviously, you're going to hear about it first here because I tell you about everything first, okay? But don't buy it just because I talked about it. I want you guys to watch it. If you think it's going to go up, I want to know why. Please smash that like button, share this video everywhere, comment down below, let me know why you think Acreage could either fail or succeed. I want to know. All right, this is your boy Rich. Have a nice weekend. Get ready for Monday. Fireworks everywhere. Sneak attacks. You got to be ready. This is the power of the people, guys. Come on. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out.